Hey guys, today it is time for part 2 of this. Because I'm using an electric sleeve hitch, I don't need to add any weight to the blade. You can see here though, there are places you can strap weights onto the top of this if you need to. The other thing, and I'll go ahead and take the camera off the tripod and show you this here in a second, is that I've got the ripper blade, the carving blades that come with this. I've got them flipped upside down because I don't need to dig into my driveway. My driveway is pretty good, but what I'm going to be doing is I've got a couple of lumps down towards the gate, and I'm just going to be smoothing those out. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this. There are a lot of adjustments you can make with this, and let's go ahead and I'll show you some. All right, first off, you have an adjustment on the sleeve hitch itself. This back and forth motion you see here, you can take that out by adjusting the nuts and bolts that are right there. In my case, I'm going to leave those so it floats back and forth a little bit. Not all the way out, but close to it. The second adjustment is if you want to pull some gravel back onto the road, or you're trying to smooth something and you're trying to build something up, you can pull out this pin right here, and you have 3 positions that you can rotate this to. Again, for me, I'm just trying to pull my rock back up, fill in any low holes that I have. So it's going to be just right in the middle position with a little bit of float to it, so if it hits a unmovable object, it has some bounce to it. And there we go. With the electric sleeve hitch, and that's a Johnny Products there, I can create my own downward force. A lot of times though, when using these, you don't really need to have that much downward force. You might if everything is really, really hard. But in the case of this driveway, the gravel's just kind of gotten pushed off to the sides, and it's time to fix it before the snow starts falling. Let's do it. How well that's showing up, but you took the lumps from there and kind of filled in these low-lying areas. This side wasn't anywhere near as bad, but it's just about scraping a little bit at a time. Well, I guess that'll pretty much do it. That's the AgriFab rear box blade, and you just need a garden tractor or even a riding mower with a sleeve hitch adapter in order to be able to use something like this. I get a lot of comments over the years on some of my other tractor videos saying that a garden tractor or a riding mower can't do this or it can't do that. This is a 1,500-foot driveway, and I have taken care of it with this box blade and the Brinly that was there before it for the last 8 years. And the tractor doesn't show any additional signs of wear than it normally would. And the driveway is pretty good. As you can see, I didn't have to do all that much maintenance. If you keep up with it and do it once a year and get those ruts out so the rain doesn't become a problem. And driveways can be maintained with a tiny riding mower like this. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. Take care.